Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my second Halloween look. I'm doing a makeup tutorial inspired by Harley Quinn from the movie Suicide Squad. And this was actually a very requested look. A bunch of people wanted me to do this, so I decided to make it happen. I walk you guys step by step to show you guys how I created this look. It was very fun, very messy. So if you guys have this in mind that you were planning to maybe do it for Halloween, keep on watching. Let's get right into this. So first I'm going to go ahead and prime my face with this Hydro Primer from Milk Makeup. This is my favorite primer so far. It's very sticky, so the foundation does go on very nicely. So I'm going to go ahead and apply some on my face. So normally I would start with my eyes first and then work my way out and then finish with my face. But in this case I'm actually going to do my face first because we're going to have a lot of eyeshadow kind of on this parts of my eyes, so I'm not too worried about the fallout. For my foundation, I'm going to use my Pro Longwear MAC Waterproof Foundation. This is an NC25. This is a little bit lighter than my skin tone, so I'm just going to apply some on the back of my hand.
I'm not going to kill you. I'm just going to hurt you. Really, really bad.
I'm going to go ahead and conceal with my favorite concealer. This is my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Fair. And I am going to bring it down a little bit just because I want this color to work. I am going to be setting my face with this contour kit Anastasia Beverly Hills contour powder. I'm going to use this pink right here. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply my Plouise eyeshadow base. This is Rumor number 0. This is the color white. And I'm just going to apply that all over my eyelid. For eyeshadow, I'm going to go ahead and use this red right here and this blue right here. This is from the James Charles palette. I'm going to jump right in with this red color. And I'm going to only focus on the lid. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab a clean, fluffy brush and I'm just going to blend this upwards. The same thing, I'm packing the color on the lid of the eye, not too worried about the crease. Now I'm going to grab a fluffy brush with no product and I'm just going to go ahead and blend this upwards. And I'm going to bring this eyeshadow down and blend it downwards just a little bit. And I'm using my Dojo lashes. I will list them down in my description of the video so you guys can check them out. They are over on Instagram. And if you do like their lashes, you can use my discount code, which is the same name as my YouTube, _it's Steph, and you can get some money off your order. They have really cute lashes. Some are natural and some can be very dramatic. For my contour, I'm going to use my contour kit from Anastasia. And I'm going to go ahead and use this shade right here and I'm going to lightly contour. I'm going to go in circle motions and I'm not going to go too much on the contour just because she doesn't really have that much contour going on. But just to give us a little bit of color, I am going to go lightly on the contour. I am going to be using a highlight. I know she doesn't really have that much highlight, but my channel, my rules. I'm just kidding. But I do want to make it kind of shiny, girly like. makeup look. So I'm going to be using this Helix color from the Kat Von D Metal Crush Highlight Palette. So for my under eye, I'm doing the same thing. I'm just using the same brushes I used, and I'm applying under my eye, same eyeshadow. And it doesn't matter if it's messy because she does get kind of messy on the movie. So we're just gonna drag this down. Go ahead and apply blue on my under eye on this side. Again, we're gonna blend this a little bit. Once I blend everything out, I'm gonna go ahead and apply black eyeliner on the waterline. Now I'm gonna go ahead and draw the little heart and write the lettering over on my cheek. I'm using the LA Girl Lineart eyeliner. This is a black liquid eyeliner. It's in a pen, so it is easier to use. Alright, so now that the heart is done, I have to write the lettering.
I'm not gonna kill you.
I'm so nervous. Alright, let's hope I don't mess this up. Now that the letter is done, I'm going to go ahead and apply some highlight on the inner corner of my eyes. And I'm using that same highlight that I used for my cheekbones. And again, I'm going to apply some of that on my brow bone.
I'm not gonna kill you. I'm just gonna hurt you. Really, really bad.
And I'm just applying a little bit of mascara on my bottom lashes so my eyes pop. For the lips, I'm going to be using this Yves Saint Laurent. This is a Behind My Kiss liquid color balm. And this is the color I will be using today. This is number 8. And it's Excite Me Pink. This smells so good. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. It was so much fun. Thank you guys so much for coming back and watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And let me know your thoughts in the comments down below what you think of this look. And thanks again for coming by. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.